Good night stories from the life of the Prophet Muhammad. Today we're reading Rebuilding the Kabbah. It was in the 35th year of the Prophet's life that the Quraysh decided to rebuild the Kabbah. The Quraysh who lived in Mecca were its guardians. They asked a skilled carpenter of Mecca to make a new roof, but for this they needed timber. It so happened that a ship belonging to the Greek merchant had run aground. As it was a total wreck, the Quraysh took some of its timber, and so the roof was made as they had planned. To put on the roof, they had first to demolish the old walls. To begin with, they were afraid to do this lest Allah be angry with them. But finally, they went ahead with their plans and started rebuilding the walls. But before they could complete it, the black stone had to be put back in its place. This was the most important and most honorable task. Each one of them wanted the honor of fixing the black stone in the wall, so they started to fight among themselves. But the more they fought, the less they could agree as to who should put the black stone. Finally, the eldest among them said, "Let the first man who enters the gate next morning judge between us." At that moment, the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ entered the gate. When they saw him, they were very happy. They said, "Here is Muhammad, he is the trustworthy one." Muhammad ﷺ said to the men, "Give me a cloak." Then he put the black stone on the cloak. Then he said, "Let each tribe hold one end of the cloak. Now all of you lift it together." All of them lifted the cloak with the black stone. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ then picked up the black stone with his own hands, and he placed the black stone on the wall. Then the men went on building the walls higher and higher. Finally, they put on the roof. The Kabbah was ready. I hope you enjoyed the story. Stay tuned for the next one.
We hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel.